Go.
Hello guys, today we'll be testing out my new drone, the drone IF609. So this drone is kind of like a normal drone that you use for vloggers. And now I'm trying to connect it to the camera, which as you can see now, told you, this thing works. So today we're gonna fly this one for a short flight test.
All right, let's try. Wait.
We're gonna set it to fly.
Go, go. Wow.
As you can see, it flies so high that it can go up to far ranges. It can go so high. Look at the footage right now.
Can I see the footage?
Sure. We're gonna go down a bit. Oh no, there's crosswind. As you can see, we're going far as we can.
Wow, I love
It's
it.
blocking us. Watch out! It's going to circle. It's now facing at you.
Oh, yeah.
It can go up here.
Don't mind that. My eyes hurt. Ow.
It can go to very far distances.
What? Don't let me to dream.
Slowly landed with the...
Oh. Oh, 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 oh.
It's safe!
Good job, good job.
I knew this thing would have an autopilot mode. It's gonna go up again.
Ah.
Okay, let's continue with the flight. As you can see, it goes very far distances. Such as here. Watch out! Oh no, the crosswind. We're gonna land it immediately for a while. Using the 1C land button. It lands on
All right,
itself
can
like
you-
autopilot.
Really?
Oh, it has air.
Hey! Don't worry. Don't worry, it's vibrating proof. So as you can see, the footage is so great.
Yeah.
Even though there's low quality camera, but it can see in the dark. That's why it has this.
All right, so you're going to transfer it here. They're going to say the footage.
Sure.
All right. Okay, so are we going to try it again?
Okay. Stand by. It's gonna get I don't have a catchphrase. But let's go.
Can you try to land it again?
Sure. 1C landing.
Yeah,
Hey, friends.
because we're going to show it.
It lands automatically.
Really?
See? No control.
Wow. Try. Stay away.
See?
Oh, that's great. But you can let it land.
How would you twirl?
I mean, while you're controlling it, it can be also
Yeah.
right. But what do you prefer? Auto landing, or you're the one who will control it?
Manual landing, because auto landing, maybe example, I'm near to the sea and it's landing here, but when the wind blows, it might land in the sea instead.
Ah, all right. So it might be broken, right?
Yeah. In a second, it has lost its connection because it was so far high up.
No!
I'm gonna connect it again.
What's the name of that again?
The IF609 drone.
All right. So we're going to show it to them.
We're just connecting the Wi-Fi to it first, because this thing is Wi-Fi connected, so anyone can't connect but us. Let me restart. started for a bit. Okay, here we go. It's starting.
That's your secret.
It's on. And here we go. It's connecting. Wait a second. It's almost here. And it's about activating. We just need to connect it one more part, and there we go. It's connected again. And we're flying. In 3, 2, 1. This thing also has one key take off. So when I press this one, it's taking off automatically, and when I press this one, it lands automatically.
Oh, alright.
These are the motor controls that help it. Looking, say hi. Say hi to the viewers. See? Okay, now let's continue going up. It's the most beautiful view ever.
Okay. Let's go trick. Wait, no. I got secret.
As you can see, it can kind of deal with crosswind, but too much wind can blow it away. See?
Oh yeah. OMG.
Oh my goodness, the wind is so strong. We're gonna have to land it manually.
Wow. Alright, so you say goodbye now.
Goodbye! Thanks for watching IT's channel, and please also consider subscribing at CK's official vlogging channel. It really helped me a lot and also help her to subscribe. Goodbye!